and welcome to Trends 9 guys, and today I am at a very special stall. आप देख ही सकते हैं, बहुत खूबसूरत स्टॉल और मेरे हाथ में एक क्यूट सा एक फ्लावर पेटल से ये मुझे दिख रहा है, वैसे बना हुआ एक दिया भी है, and we have different colors as well. So I want to tell you the stall is special because as you can see, the name suggests Cheen Mitti. That means most probably something, if I'm not wrong, related to pottery and something that you can have in your home for home decoration. तो आपके पास हर अलग-अलग तरीके की beautiful items आपके घर में होंगी, तो कितना मजा आएगा, right? And this is your spot. So if you want to decorate your home, you can check out these quirky yet chic items. तो मेरे साथ हैं
Soumya.
So Soumya here is going to tell me कि in pots की or maybe the crockery that she has displayed, उनकी क्या speciality है. तो Soumya, ये जो मेरे हाथ में है, this is very pretty. Is this a bell?
Yeah, it's a bell.
Okay.
So we have a variety of bells, starting from these smaller ones.
Oh, okay.
To these, and then to the bigger bells. And all of this is ceramic. All of this is handmade by Indian artisans.
Oh wow, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
इसको बनाने में कितना टाइम लग जाता है सौम्या?
इसको बनाने में approx 1 week लगता है. And as you can see, this is all hand painted.
Right.
So this is all Indian, original Indian work.
Absolutely, and especially because our artisans are also, getting extinct, so it's very important to preserve our culture.
Yeah, exactly.
तो ये भी बहुत प्यारा है. I think this is called the Groot. If I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's really cute.
It's our best-selling planter.
Oh, that's beautiful and of course perfect. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, ये जो कलर्स है जो यूज करते हैं, तो इनका कोई डर नहीं रहता कि माइक्रोवेव करेंगे, स्पेशली क्रॉकरी या ऐसा कुछ, तो ये खराब होंगे या they'll run fast?
Not at all. So this is all very safe. In fact, as we all know कि plastic बहुत use होता है.
Absolutely.
So this is our motive with Cheeni Mitti, that we want Cheeni Mitti to reach every home and to replace plastics from as many households as possible. So if you see, this is all tableware,
right,
and kitchenware products. All of this is microwave, dishwasher safe. So we offer a variety of products in this range. They come in different colors, quirky, trendy, classic piece also.
Wow,
so everything is perfectly safe for kids, for everyone.
So I want to ask you, आपने बता दिया इसको माइक्रोवेव कर सकते हैं, तो कलर्स रन नहीं होंगे. इसके अलावा कुछ ऐसी प्रिकॉशंस है जो हमें लेनी चाहिए जिससे ये खराब ना हो?
Not many, because ceramic basically बहुत पहले से चलता आ रहा है.
Right.
So this is tried and tested material. So all you have to do is, for example, this is in glaze. और ये थोड़ा matte में है, so you don't have to use harsh scrub on it.
Okay.
You can just run it under water and it will be clean. Yeah, right. You can use any soft, liquid soap to wash this. It's pretty simple.
And quite easy to use as well.
Plus aesthetic, everybody loves colors.
That is very
different designs.
तो ड्यूरेबिलिटी के बारे में बात करते हैं, टूटने का डर?
Because ये सिरामिक है, तो अगर ये हाथ से छूटेगा तो ये टूट सकता है या चिप हो सकता है, but that's the beauty of it. Right. कि जैसे प्लास्टिक कब सालों तक टूटता नहीं है, चलता जाता है, but that's very harmful. Right. ये टूटता है, but ये आपके लिए और environment के लिए 100% safe है, and it's the best.
Also the fact, you see those ceramic vases that your mom puts in your home, and then you are like so scared, अरे इधर जाएंगे टूट जाएगा. I think it's definitely very beautiful. Oh, I love the angry birds that you've showcased there.
These are Piggy banks basically.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'll show it to you. These are also one of our best-selling products. So if you see, it's a Piggy bank.
Wow, that's so cool, man.
So kids love it, and you don't have to break it.
Right.
It has this removable button.
That's perfect actually. So, modern times में जो है अब वो breaking वाला system थोड़ा हट गया है, and you can actually preserve your piggy bank as well, and you can put your 100s, 200s, 500s ज़्यादा भी आपके पास, तो आप डाल के आराम से इस piggy bank को use कर सकते हैं. Plus kid friendly, and I think it's also girl friendly because color pink.
Yeah, many colors in this.
Yeah. So what is that you have showcased?
This one, this is a fridge magnet and a planter. So it has magnet, you can stick it on your fridge, and you can put any water plant in this,
That's so
money
cool.
plant or something. And it's very sturdy. It sticks onto your fridge really well.
Really? That's great. You can see the magnets also, so they have been placed in the correct, accurate space so that you can easily stick it to your fridge. I love the collection that you have here.
Thank you so much.
May I ask, are those
wax tablets? Yes. So these are wax tablets. you can hang these in your wardrobe, in your cars, and you know, it will make the air freshen up.
Oh wow! So bye bye, you know, all those fragrance brands that you use in your cars, and hello this. So that's amazing, Soumya.
Thank you.
I'm loving the collection that you have here. Is that an air diffuser as well?
Yeah, these are diffusers. So these come in different shapes. As you can see, we have birds, owls, some shunk here, cactus is here. So
Right.
we've got many shapes and sizes in these diffusers.
And what's that?
What?
The
This one?
yeah.
So this is a multi-serve bowl come platter sort of situation.
Okay.
So you can, this is again microwave safe. So you can serve
Oh, wow.
anything in this. So you know
It's like a
Diwali
hot
is coming.
pot.
Yeah, so Diwali pe you can put it on your table, you can serve any dish that you've made, or you can use it as a piece of decor. You can put potpourri in this,
Oh,
floating
right.
diyas.
Right,
Yeah,
absolutely.
So it's multi-purpose.
बहुत ही बढ़िया, Soumya. And what is a box? It looks like a jewelry box or something.
So this is
very colourful.
basically, yeah, it's a butter dish.
It's a butter.
A butter dish.
The butter.
Yeah,
Okay.
butter come cake dish
Right,
or dessert
right.
dish. You can put anything in here.
So you know, you're going to go into the restaurant and you see those fancy platters.
Yeah.
So this is probably one of that. You know.
So again, you can make your home fancy also. You don't just have to go to restaurant.
Yay. So I'm really loving the collection. I love the fact that they have these really eco-friendly diyas as well. So you can definitely come and shop at Cheeni Mitti. And you know, they are sustainable, they're eco-friendly, and that's the goal. We need to lower the global warming. So this is your best bet. So do come and shop from this beautiful store.